In this video, I'm going to run through how to install our WordPress plugin so that you can get your listings on your WordPress website from your MantisProperty account showing instantly, and also so the inquiries and leads coming through from your website are automatically collected by MantisProperty and processed through the inquiry system. So first of all, I've just got a blank WordPress site here that I've set up. And if we go into the admin area, you'll see that I've selected the 2019 theme. This is the best theme to use with this plugin, but we do provide all the source code for the plugin. So if you have a developer that's creating a custom theme for you, they can also customize the plugin to work with that theme. Now, to install the plugin, it's quite easy. You just go down to Plugins and then click Add New. At the top of the screen, you just click the Upload Plugin button. And then from here, you just choose the zip file that you've downloaded from our MantisProperty website. Once you've done that, click Install Now. This just takes a few seconds to install the plugin, and then it's ready to configure. Once it's installed, it'll come up with this screen, and you just need to click the button that says Activate Plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you'll notice on the left-hand side you now have a MantisProperty menu item. You need to click on that first because you need to set your API details for your specific MantisProperty account. So when you click on that, it brings up this screen, Add MantisProperty Credentials. What you need to do is you now need to go across to your MantisProperty account and log in. Once you've logged in, click on Preferences on the left, and then Website Integration, and then Listing Integration Instructions. On the drop-down, select the option that says Advanced API with XML. When you scroll down, you'll see your API credentials here, which is an API key and an agency ID. So all you need to do is copy and paste those into that box in WordPress. So I'll just copy those across now, the API key and the agency ID. And then you click Save Changes. Once it comes up Credentials Saved, your WordPress site is now connected in directly to your MantisProperty account. Now all you need to do is add the pages to your menu. So all we do is go across here and go to Appearance, then Menus. In here, because this is a new installation, we need to create a new menu. So we'll just call this Main Menu. And then over on the left-hand side, it automatically populates the most recent pages with all the available MantisProperty pages. So as you can see here, you've got Commercial for Sale, Recently Sold. That will show all the recently sold commercial for sale listings you have. And then you've got Commercial for Sale, Commercial for Lease, Rural for Sale, Business for Sale, Commercial Land, etc. What we're going to do here is we're just going to add the Residential for Sale and the For Rent pages. You just click Add to Menu. Over on the right hand side, you've now added these pages, and you can drag and drop them in the order that you want. You can click on the down arrow to rename those navigation labels. So we'll click Save Menu. That's save the menu. Now, because this is a new WordPress installation, we also need to set this menu as the top menu. So we go into Manage Locations and just set the primary menu to the one that we've just created, and then click Save Changes. Now if we go over to the website, the WordPress website that we've created, we'll just refresh that, and you'll see now on the menu we've got those two new menu items, For Rent and Residential for Sale. If we click on Residential for Sale, it now shows all the listings pulling across from our MantisProperty account. Also on the left hand side, it has a search facility, so this is built in part of the plugin as well, where people can search based on certain criteria, and this is customized specifically for the listing. So for instance, if you're in the commercial listings, then you can search on floor space and category and that sort of thing. Now if we click on a listing, this will bring up the listing details. Again, this is all coming from the plugin. It has a photo gallery where you can easily scroll through the photos, has your description, has your details, your agent details, and then if we scroll down here and click Inquire Now, it'll pop up with this where you can put in the details of an inquiry. So someone visiting your site, they can put in their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and a message. And when they do that, that will automatically come into MantisProperty and attach as an inquiry for that particular listing. And then depending what you've got set up in MantisProperty, it can email the agent, send them an SMS, start autoresponders or any automated workflows that you've set up within MantisProperty. So that's basically it. It takes only a couple of minutes to set up the WordPress plugin. And as you can see, it's quite easy. Everything's done for you. There's no customization that you need to do.